What's up, locals? We are at Local Flavor. Today, we're gonna eat some burgers. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. All right, so here at Local Flavor, of course, a place called Local Flavor would have local hot sauces, which I love. The owner here loves hot, and we love the heat. So yeah, what better way to start the lunch with a little sliced pickled jalapeno here. They got a little hot sauce bar over there. They have jalapenos and carrots and onions and like a vinegar pickled deal there. They also have some other hot sauces that you can try that are in the bin. And also, on top of that, they have 40 like bottles of hot sauces over there. A lot of them local, some of them not, but a lot of them are local. You can check those out. I got the 316 Chipotle, which is made by the guy at Sweet and Saucy down the street, Keeper of the Flames. So I'm gonna try this out in just a minute, but they also got hot, and more hot over there that you can try. So Darren's gonna try these out on some chips. I'm gonna try this jalapeno right here. Ooh. That's good, definitely got some heat. Definitely got some heat, but it's a good sweet vinegar flavor that it's pickled in. Do you see how my voice got higher? Because it's hot, it's spicy. No, that's really good. All right, over to Darrin.
Troy's got me trying out these sauces that they have over at the sauce and hot sauce buffet. And I've got first this green tomatillo sauce. I believe it's got some jalapenos and onions also mixed in. It's smooth, creamy, got a good, really good taste. Not too spicy. Not really spicy at all, really, for me. I know there's some of you out there who think ketchup is spicy, so you still want to be aware. They call this one Chile de Arbol Guajillo. That was a fun one to say. Okay. It's got a little zing right off the bat. Not too bad. There it is, rolled into the back of the throat. Not killer. Got a nice little zing to it. Little heat. Good flavor. Actually, I like that. That's a really good sauce. All right. Last but not least in this little series is the Chipotle sauce. Looks a little thicker, a little bit more brown. It's got some heat right off the bat. A little chunkier, a little thicker, smoky, that smoky Chipotle taste. Definitely has a little bit more heat than these other two, but not so much that I'm like dying. That's another good flavor as well. All three are really, really well balanced in each of their categories, so you can't go wrong with any of these. Just find one of these that you really like and dig in, because there's a buffet of them over there. So I'm going in for more.
All right, so I tried all three that Darrin just showed you. They are not too spicy, but they got a little hot to them. But I want to try this 316 that Keeper of the Flames makes right down the street at Sweet and Saucy I was telling you about. So here we go. It's got a really good Chipotle flavor. Tastes a little bit of that smokiness that they cook it with. And it's pretty spicy. It's not overbearing by any means. It could definitely, definitely spice up a burger or something here that we're gonna have in a minute. But yeah, I think it's a little hotter than the three that they have in the actual bar over there. So if you want something a little hotter, you might have to pick from a bottle. But all pretty good. Yeah, there's the spice going down the back of the throat right there. So good stuff.
Today I ordered the bacon cheeseburger with jalapeno burger. It's probably the thickest jalapenos I've seen on a burger today. Don't eat the frill pick. But I'm picking a side that's got everything. So when I get my first bite, I'm getting everything. So here we go, first bite. Lots of crunch. There's a sweetness that's surprising. That must be from the jalapeno, because it's definitely not from the bacon and the hamburger meat. But it is really good. Taste the meat. The bacon is perfectly cooked. That jalapeno's got to have some sweetness. I'm not kidding you, because it's There's no sauce on this, and that's amazing. So that sweetness mixed with the bacon, with the seasoning of the meat on this hamburger, man, that was a really good bite. I gotta go back for another one.
All right, real quick, I do want to say that these are homemade fries. Nothing special about them, but they are not frozen in a bag back there. They're cut every day. So these are delicious. Thanks to my friends Matt and Chet. Thanks for offering this suggestion. They are from the Hard Headed Podcast. You can find them anywhere you can listen to podcasts. But they said that the green chili burger was the best. So I got green chili burger. Comes with green chilies, cheese, 2 patties. This one has bacon. I'm not sure it always comes with bacon, but I got bacon on mine today, so that's great. So I'm gonna take a bite right here so I get all the flavor. So here we go. First thing I taste are the cheese blended with the meat. The meat's got a really good flavor. I don't taste too much of the seasoning, but it's not a lot of grease. There is a little bit of grease, which makes it perfect and juicy. The chilies are a little hidden in there, but I do taste them. But all in all, that's a good bite of a burger. I'm gonna go back in, get some more. All right, after that second bite, some more of that flavor is kicked in. I can taste a little bit more of that seasoning, and that chili flavor is starting to come through a little bit more. So yeah, all in all, this is a really good burger. I can see why Chet and Matt told me to get it. And I would definitely recommend this burger to anyone out there. Sweet chili cheeseburger right here at Local Flavor.
So after a couple bites, really loving this burger, but I have to talk about this jalapeno. It's not what I expected. It is sweet. I'm not sure what they've soaked it in. It does have a nice little heat, but the sweetness works really well with this burger. I'm actually really happy and surprised. It was like a happy accident, I guess. So, bravo to them. However they're making this, the jalapeno is sweet. It looks like they're doing all kinds of fun things with their food, and I love that. Be creative, be different. They brought us out. It's like a special guest. They're barbecue thighs, and so this looks amazing right off the bat. I can see how crispy the skin is, but I'm going to peel back and get to actually some meat. Yeah, see, that's juicy. Something else that they brought on here that I've never seen before is a white barbecue sauce that I'm going to dip this in. That's a smoked thigh. I can definitely tell right off the bat. It's juicy on the inside. It's got a nice texture on the outside. Definitely juicy. I've been wanting to come here for Thigh Thursday. Now I get a sneak peek of what I will be getting when I actually do come back for Thigh Thursday. But yeah, you can see how juicy that is, and the smoke flavoring is totally there. It's so good. And this barbecue sauce, that's a good thigh. I can't do this at home. I don't have a smoker, but I would come here to get one of these because these are amazing.
All right, so he brought us out some more chips, but we got a green chili queso here. So what better thing to go with green chili cheeseburger than green chili queso right here? So I'm gonna give this a shot. It's nice and thick. Good cheesy flavor with a little spice to it. It's a good queso. It's got just the right amount of cheese flavor mixed with the chili and the spices. It's smooth, not a lot of chunks, which I like that in a queso. And you know what? The burger's going in there. I mean, a green chili cheeseburger needs to be dipped in the green chili queso. I think I just discovered a new thing here. That just leveled up that burger right there. Not that it needed much leveling up, because it's a dang good burger, but dipping it in that, phenomenal. I'm gonna do it again. Hey locals, thanks for watching. Again, if you want to see more videos, you can click here or here. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click over there. We'll see you next time.
See ya. Next up is Chipotle. Little orange.
That's not Chipotle.
Nope.
That's the tree one.
Okay.